Hey everybody, this is Steven Calendar from SteveBiz.com. That's www.stevebiz.com. SteveBiz.com. Listen, I'm really excited today. Let me just say this. I've been on this program for 6 weeks. That's right. Today is the 13th of June. I started this back in April. Okay? I have to read this all. I'm so excited. I can't even... I'm not even showing you my stomach, but my waist stayed the same. Let me tell you, my waist stayed the same, so I didn't get off anything off my belly, but I went to weight 197. I lost from before I was 42 inches on my chest, I went down to 40 inches, 2 inches off my chest. And my neck, the last time I did my neck, it was 16 inches. I'm 16 1/4. So that means I lost 1/4 off. Let me tell you something. I'm wearing my shirt now because some people said maybe you should wear your shirt and don't be exposing myself. But look at this. My friend tells me that I'm getting the fat off my back. All over. It's coming off. It's coming down. Keep watching these videos. SteveBiz.com.